everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at an instrument that's perfect for anyone wanting to dive into the world of accordions, the FBCOZUT 22 keys 8-bass accordion. This particular model, also carrying the FBCOZUT name, comes in one standard color and weighs in at a manageable 5,000 grams, or 5 kilograms. That weight is quite reasonable for an instrument of this size, making it less cumbersome for practice sessions or even carrying around. One of the standout features highlighted for this accordion is its fascinating softer sound. Unlike some accordions that can be quite bright or piercing, this one promises a tone that is more mellow and perhaps easier on the ears, especially for beginners or for playing in smaller spaces. This softer quality could make it a really pleasant instrument to learn on and to listen to. Speaking of learning, it's specifically marketed as an easy-to-learn music accordion instrument. This suggests that the layout of the keys and bass buttons, the responsiveness of the bellows, and perhaps the overall design are geared towards making the initial stages of learning less intimidating. For someone just starting out, having an instrument designed with ease of use in mind can make a huge difference in their progress and enjoyment. It removes some of the common barriers that new musicians face. The package includes essential accessories, which is a great bonus. It comes with a strap, which is absolutely necessary for playing comfortably, allowing the player to support the instrument's weight properly. It also includes a backpack. This is incredibly practical for storage and transport. Being able to safely pack the accordion away protects it from dust and damage. And the backpack makes it portable, whether you're taking it to lessons, a friend's house, or just moving it from room to room. The inclusion of these items means a beginner doesn't have to immediately go out and purchase these separately, adding to the overall value and convenience. Considering the 22 treble keys and 8 bass buttons, this configuration is typical for a smaller, beginner-friendly accordion. It provides enough range to play a good variety of simple tunes and learn the basic chord structures on the bass side, without overwhelming the student with too many options initially. It's a focused setup that allows for foundational learning. Overall, the FBCOZUT 22 keys 8 bass accordion appears to be a well-thought-out instrument for the novice musician. Its manageable weight, promised softer sound, focus on ease of learning, and the inclusion of vital accessories like the strap and backpack make it a compelling option for anyone looking to start their accordion journey. It seems designed to provide a positive and accessible entry point into playing this wonderful instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.